Okay. Number 12. Mr. Eunice obtained a $284,000 mortgage. %6 interest. To buy a condo. Monthly payment is equal to $2,033.44. Okay. The directions are for number 7 through 14. We are supposed to find A, interest, B, amount of for principal, and C, new principal. Okay, to find your interest. It's a monthly payment, right? Okay, so what is his principal right now? As we're doing, we're assuming that's his first payment. What is his principal with the first payment? What is the amount that you owe, guys? $284,000. So that is our principal. Interest times rate. Well, what is our rate? It's 6%, so that's 0.06. Here's the thing, though. That's just for one payment. That's 6% per what? For year. So what we pay percentage per month is 0.06 divided by what? 12. Does that make sense? And then time, well, that's 1 month, isn't it? So it's just 1, right? Well, what do we get when we multiply that out? 1,000 what? 1,020?
No, 1,400.
420. Okay, I'm sorry. And 0 cents? So that is your interest. So, of that, part B, how much are we paying to principal? Well, we get that as we say, okay, our monthly payment is $2,033.44. Then we subtract the amount of interest we have to pay, $1,420. And what did you say we get as an answer? $613.44. That's pretty easy there, isn't it? Part C. What is our new principal? Well, it's $284,000, correct? Minus how much do we pay towards that principal this month? We paid $613.44, correct? Because that's what we paid towards the principal. Would you guys agree? So our new principal for next month is whatever that subtracted is, and what is it? 300 and what?
286.
And what?
56 cents.
And because your principal has changed, each month, the amount of that 2,033.44 that's paid towards principal increases. That's why the people say if you can find a way to pay, like for house payments, if you can pay 2 house payments at once, or a house payment and a half each time, that second half, all of that's towards what? Principal. So let's say, just because they say that's your payment doesn't mean you can't pay more off of it off. So let's say you could spend, for this first payment, you had the ability to pay $3,033.44, right? Well, then you're taking $1,000 off this principal, aren't you? So you're going to pay a little less interest next month than you would have if you'd have paid what? $2,033. Now that, if you did that just once, it doesn't make much of a difference. But if you could find a way to even pay $2,500 instead of $33.44, the amount of interest you pay at the end will be less. So that's why if you've ever heard someone say that on car payments or anything like that, if you can pay a payment and a half every month sometimes, you can save yourself a lot of money. Because as we saw before, at 6%, I'm betting we're going to roughly pay, did it say how long this one? It didn't, did it? Do 2033.44 times 30 and tell me what you get.
23 times what?
30.
61,000.
690.
And then times 12. 2033 times 30 and then times 12.
What?
732,038.
If this was a 30-year loan, your total you're going to pay out is $732,000. If it was a 15-year loan, see what it is, 2033.44 times 15 times 12.
366,000.
I'm betting this is, I don't know for sure, but I'm betting this is probably a 20 to 30-year loan. Because I doubt at 6%, even at 15 years, you're not going to you're going to pay about double. 30-year it looked to be a little more, but as you can see, you're just going to pay a lot less money because then you're paying all that towards the principal. Anyway, what does Canvas say? Anybody?
Canvas doesn't say anything.
What?
I don't have anything on Canvas for like all of chapter 10.
I don't know if it's the Canvas.
Canvas must know that we're going to Google next year because they're letting me down here.
1 through 17.
Yep, it's on there and it should be published. So there is someone seeing it? Okay. Because the only thing that worries me sometimes
I've got it.
is, you guys both have iPhones maybe?
I do.
What kind?
I was looking at the calendar, not.
Well, the calendar should still be there.
I'm looking at the calendar and it's there.
Yeah. You might do what we said to do yesterday, try to get it out of your history, and clear your history of apps used, or restart your phone. How many of you ever restart your phone? Okay, some people I know, if you'll think, I've looked up and I've restarted my phone in 8 days. Because, you leave it on during the night and things like that. And, it's actually smart to restart your phone periodically.
It's right there.
Okay.
Calendar.
Yeah, it should be there. And that's an iPhone?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
Mr. Sub, do I have a lesson previously at Sim-4, like something similar to Sim-4?
What do you mean?
Like a lesson previously that we
Probably.
did that's similar to Sim-4?
Regarding car payments.
Oh, yeah, the car payment